So crown, a lot of people call caps. Please don't call them caps anymore, okay? They're actually crowns. But here's what we do for a crown, right? What do you have to do to put a crown on? You have to create space. The only way that you can create space is to take a little bit off of that tooth structure. A lot of people get kind of crazy and wild about how much are you taking away? Well, 1.2 millimeters, maybe 2 millimeters. Most people don't even know what that looks like. It's a very small amount of tooth structure, quite honestly. At our office here, we will do an actual crown prep, which means taking away tooth structure. We will build that tooth up if we have to, which means take out an old filling, any kind of decay, make sure that that tooth is proper, and then prep it, take an impression, make it temporary. You go out that day, typically within 80 minutes, although time is not of the essence. We don't hurry things around here. So if you need a crown, or if you need any dental service whatsoever, give us a shout. Come on in, we'll take an x-ray, and we'll see what options we have for you.